Excel 365 keeps a record of your recent actions and operations so you can undo them easily. This is useful if you've made a mistake, for instance. You're also able to redo actions that you have undone. In this video, you will explore how to cancel recent actions or return your worksheet to a previous state using the undo and redo features. To demonstrate the undo feature in Excel, I'll first make a change to my worksheet. For example, I'll click on the column header in cell D2, and then press the delete key on my keyboard to delete the cell's contents. If I change my mind and decide that I don't want the contents of that cell deleted, I can use the undo feature. To access the undo tool, go to the top left of the interface, and in the quick access toolbar is the undo button displayed as a left pointing arrow. If I click this, you'll see that the deleting action I performed earlier has been undone, and the contents of the cell have been restored. Note that if you haven't saved your changes yet, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to quickly undo an action. When the undo button in the quick access toolbar is grayed out, this means that you don't have any undo actions to go back on. You can also use the undo tool to undo multiple actions. To demonstrate this, I'll select the reference code column header and press the delete key to delete the text. I'll insert a new column by going up to the header, right-clicking on column D, and from the shortcut menu select the Insert option. And I'll perform one last action by selecting the column headers in my table, and I'll change their format by going to the Font toolset in the Home tab, clicking the Fill Color drop-down, and from the Theme Colors section in the menu, select the color orange. To undo those three actions, I could click the Undo button in the Quick Access toolbar multiple times. Alternatively, I can click the Undo drop-down button, and displayed in the drop-down menu is a list of the three previous actions I just performed. If I'd like to, for example, only undo the Format Cells action, I could just click on this option in the menu. But if I want to undo all three actions, I'll move my mouse down over all three options until they are all highlighted gray. Then I'll click my mouse, and now my worksheet has been restored to its previous state. If you find that you've undone an action that you'd like to redo, to the right of the Undo button in the Quick Access toolbar is the Redo button. This button is displayed as an arrow going towards the right. You can redo a single action by clicking on this button, and the text in cell E2 has once again been removed. Note that you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Y to redo an action. Alternatively, you can click the Redo drop-down arrow, and in the menu is a list of the two previous actions I undid. Again, I'll move my mouse down over this list until both actions are highlighted gray, and then I'll click my mouse. And now the changes I made to my worksheet have been restored. This has been an overview on undoing and redoing actions in Excel.